Today we have a helpful tutorial for those of you who often struggle with reading small text or icons on your mobile phone due to weak eyesight. In this video, we will show you how to increase the font size on your phone, making it much easier for you to read and navigate. So let's get started. First, open your setting. Now navigate to display. Now go to font size and style. Now slide it to according to your need. I'm choosing max. And there you have it. Your text is now larger and easier to read. Thank you for watching.